Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of the new Monarch Legacy of Monsters show, I'll be showing you how to draw Titan X. So, hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, start off with Titan X from the new Monarch Legacy of Monsters show. Let's begin with the eye. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come down and then back here. Then I'm just going to make a little line right here. Let's go ahead and make a couple little lines kind of underneath it. And then we're going to go ahead and make kind of like a wiggly, bumpy line above it. Next, right here, we're going to make this line kind of come out. And we're going to make this go up and then down to here. We're going to make this line kind of come up and then down here for the bottom of the mouth. And then we're just going to curve it back. And we're going to bring this line up. We're going to put some sharp teeth inside the mouth, and then a couple bigger ones at the bottom, and then some more sharp teeth. And we're going to bring this line up, and then another line up for the other side of the mouth. We're going to bring this line down and up to kind of show how the bottom of the jaw is kind of hidden. And then we're going to bring this up here. We're going to kind of bring this line over and then down. We're going to leave some kind of like broken little spots on here. And then we're just going to kind of bring this up and then back here for part of the back. And we're going to bring it back towards the front. We're also going to kind of curve this back here. I'm going to make a little line here. And then we're going to make some kind of little points going right across the back here and then down. And then we're going to kind of curve it back. Next, we're going to bring this line over. And then we're going to kind of start making some long kind of tentacles. I'm going to make this one come down. I'm going to make a sharp point on the end. Now we're going to just kind of bring this tentacle up. Then we're going to start making some more kind of long tentacles that are just going to kind of go in all different directions, making them larger as they come back. Kind of round some of them off too. We're just kind of bring these up. We're just going to kind of fill these up with some different kind of shaped tentacles going everywhere. And make them just kind of coming all over the place. Do another one over here. I'm going to make another kind of longer tentacle up here with like a sharp point. And we're just going to bring this back up. Then I'm going to kind of shape out some little spots where the tentacles will be. And then just kind of fill in some of these areas with a couple more. Now, right up here, I'm going to make this kind of like big, kind of curvy line, and then another one here on the front. Then I'm going to make some kind of like wiggly different shapes kind of around here. Almost kind of has like a little bit of like an anemone kind of spike look to it. So we're just going to make some of these kind of going up and down the back here. Then I'm going to bring some of these lines down, kind of give it a little bit of texture along the back. And even a couple little lines coming down here. And even adding some more in there as well. Make some come from the bottom too. I'm going to make like another row of some of these kind of like bumpy little tentacle looking things. We're going to make some more lines kind of coming up and down. I'm going to bring this line back, and then I'm going to make just some little lines coming down just to show some texture. We'll make some curved lines by the neck. We'll make some lines above where all these tentacles are just to kind of show some detail. And then just some little lines coming down here too. We'll make some little lines right by the mouth. And then some details kind of right around here as well. I like to make these really long broken lines kind of coming down all the tentacles for some detail. And then we can even make some lines that are going up and down on them. This just kind of helps give it a little bit more of like that rounded look. And I'm just kind of doing this in random spots, even adding extra lines in little places too. And we're just kind of filling these up in these little spots here. We can even add some really big ones to kind of show like where they're going to be like sections almost of the tentacles. And then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines onto here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of Titan X from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.